Welcome to Knowledge Bites. In this video, we'll demystify gravity, a fundamental force that shapes our world, from apples falling off trees to the mysteries of black holes. If you love exploring science education and fun science facts, make sure to subscribe for more bite-sized lessons on basic science and astronomy basics. What is gravity? Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other, a key concept in science education. It's what keeps your feet on the ground, your drink in your glass, and the moon orbiting Earth. The story goes that Isaac Newton wondered about gravity after seeing an apple fall from a tree. This led to Newton's laws of gravity, showing how everything in the universe attracts everything else. But gravity isn't just on Earth. It's a universal force shaping space science too. How does gravity work? On Earth, gravity makes objects fall. Drop a ball and the Earth pulls it down. Newton's law of universal gravitation tells us that every object attracts every other object. The bigger the object, the stronger the pull. That's why we don't float away. In space, gravity keeps the moon orbiting Earth and planets orbiting the sun. Einstein took this further with his theory of relativity, explaining that gravity bends space-time. Picture a bowling ball on a trampoline. It bends the surface, and nearby objects roll toward it. That's how gravity works in space. Gravity and black holes. Now let's explore the extreme side of gravity. Black holes. When massive stars collapse, they form black holes, regions where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Imagine a hole in space with invisible walls, pulling in everything nearby. Black holes often have a glowing accretion disk around them, made of matter spinning faster and glowing hotter as it gets closer. This fascinating topic ties into astronomy basics and captivates science for kids and adults alike. Fun science fact to explore. Did you know gravity on the moon is only 1/6 of Earth's? That's why astronauts can bounce so high. Let's visualize this. Picture an apple falling, planets orbiting the sun, and a black hole warping space-time with a glowing accretion disk. Gravity demystified, from apples to black holes. If you enjoyed this journey through science education, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more animated science videos on basic science and space science. Now, tell us in the comments, what's the most fascinating thing you learned about gravity? Let's keep exploring together.